Okay, in this tutorial, I will quickly teach you how you can paginate your items in collection in Divhunt. So here I have one collection called properties. I have like 15 items here already connected, so I will not go into details. I will assume that you know how to connect your items here and show everything, just don't have a pagination. So here I have one CMS connected. It is like a grid of 5 items, and in total I have 15 items showing. So in order for me to connect a pagination, we have here properties grid, which is a wrapper div of my collection items. Below it, I will create one empty div and I will name it pagination. And now, just so I can see it here, I will set a fixed height for now, 50 pixels. I will set some margin on top. And now this div is going to be a container of my pagination. Now let's go to this property item into advanced, where we selected our source to be. Let's go scroll down a bit. Here we have a pagination. Let's enable it. Here we have a couple of options which are pretty self-explanatory. So I'll set 5 items per page. I will set style to be maybe both. For the previous button, I want to say arrow right, maybe, I mean left, and arrow right for the next button. And now here, pagination container. Here we set a class of this container. Or if we don't have a class, we can click here, select a container, click on this container. And now this is going to be our container for our pagination. All we need to do now is to save, and let's go to the live website. And now you can see that our pagination is already working. So we made it up in like a minute. So here we have showing 1 to 5 items out of 15. I can go to the next page, and then I can use arrows as well. Now let's do some more things. Maybe let's set items for page 10. Maybe let's set this style to be simple. Let's save again. And now, okay, this is remembering that page 3 that doesn't exist now because we have 10 items per page. So we have here showing 1 to 10 or 15, and I can go arrow right, arrow left, arrow right, and so on. You can do also number style. That's basically the same thing that I showed you first time, just without these arrows. And this is the show result info. I can disable that one. So let me show you, and let's click here to 5. So that's basically that text that was showing here, like little text. I will show you. I will enable it just to show you what is that. So that's basically this one text here. So you can disable that by just unchecking this one, and it's pretty simple. And if you disable that one, you will notice that our pagination will come on the left side. If you want it in the middle, for example, all you need to do is to click on this pagination, click display flex, and set it to center. And now you have this pagination in middle. If you want it on the right, you can do it here, set, not that one, sorry, this one to the end. And now you have your pagination on the right. So that's how you can manipulate the position of your pagination. But for the styling, this is default styling of pagination. And in order to change that, you need to use a bit of custom CSS. So I will show you. I'm hoping that you know CSS and you will understand how this works. So basically, if we inspect element, our pagination has this class, the DH pagination, and we can use this class in order to change colors and stuff of these other elements. For example, I can go here, files, I can create a CSS file called pagination.css. Let me open it. So I can write a bit of CSS. If I want, for example, this to be red, for example, not blue, all I need to find is this item. I will set it here, and I want background, for example, to be red. I want border to be as well like this, and I will copy all of this like this. Let's save and refresh, and now our pagination, actually, we need to one prefix to set, so we can put here body, and let's save now, and you will see that now everything is working. And using this approach, if you know CSS, you will know how to style this to every single detail just using regular CSS. It's not possible to style it through Builder, unfortunately, but it's not that hard to style it using regular CSS inside of our files.